Two cases of whooping cough have been confirmed in Wayne County. The Wayne County Health Department says that both cases involve two students at Spring Creek Elementary. The department says it's working to identify students and staff who may have been near the affected students. Whooping cough is a contagious respiratory illness that spreads through coughing and sneezing. It usually begins with cold-like symptoms and can lead to a severe persistent cough that makes a whooping sound. Officials say that vaccinations are the best way to protect yourself against pertussis and recommend that people receive the Tdap booster if possible.